What happened to TRS 80 Model 1? The TRS 80 Model 1, introduced in 1977, was discontinued in January of 1981, primarily due to stricter FCC regulations regarding radio frequency interference. It was also impacted by the rise of more affordable and powerful computers, like those from Commodore and Sinclair, which offered features like color graphics and sound that the Model 1 lacked. The Model 1, along with the Apple II and the Commodore PET 2001, was part of the 1977 trinity, quote and unquote, of early microcomputers. FCC regulations. The Model 1's radio frequency emissions were not compliant with the FCC's stricter regulations, leading to its discontinuation. Market shifts. The introduction of less expensive, more feature-rich computers from competitors like Commodore and Sinclair significantly impacted the Model 1's market share. Tandy's strategy. Tandy's introduction of the new TRS models like the Model 2 and Model 3, which were not compatible with the Model 1, also contributed to its decline. Successor. The TRS-80 Model 4, released in 1983, served as a successor to the Model 3, marking a transition to newer technology and features. Thank you for watching.